My name is Lonnie Main, and I'm the founder of Red Shoes Living. Red Shoes Living is a concept that's really been with me in the first part of my career in 18 years in corporate America. You know, we were acquiring companies and blending cultures and blending leadership teams, and I needed to find a way to make sure that we kept in the forefront of mind that there were human beings that we were disrupting, and that culture was going to become the most important part of these mergers and acquisitions, and that we needed to come out on the other side in a positive way. So Red Shoes was really created as a way to say, let's stand out in everything that we do like a pair of red shoes for the positive. And so in the technology company in 10 years, you know, we grew 817% in a short period of time actually, and just continued to grow, and that company continues to grow with Red Shoes being at the core of that culture. Red Shoes resonates so well at every level of the organization, from, you know, really boardroom executive all the way down, because it's sticky and it's cool. Most of us are in jobs that we don't really want to be in. You know, we might have passions that are outside of it. One of the things that Red Shoes does is it brings that cool factor back into a business, and it gives people purpose and a reason to show up, you know, in the business, and a reason to show up in their personal life. And I tell people when I'm speaking with them, so bear with me, because over the next hour of this keynote, or over the next day, you know, of this leadership training, or over the next 2 days with an executive, you're going to change. I'm going to give you, you know, Red Shoes is going to give you something that you can use immediately to change your life or to change your business. And then the beauty of the concept of Red Shoes is that it goes home with people too. They live their life in a Red Shoes way. And I think that's probably been the biggest benefit of Red Shoes, is you're giving as a company. If you're bringing Red Shoes into your culture, you're giving the gift that keeps on giving. Red Shoes will have an impact on your employees like no other program that you've ever instituted before. There are some great companies out there that do leadership training and leadership development and culture building, and I think they do a wonderful job. But you can make a program so complex that it loses its luster, so to speak. And I was with a large retail client on the East Coast here recently that had paid for you know, a big company to come in and help them with their culture. And it was brilliant work, and they're still using a lot of it. But it started to lose its way. And we sat down and talked about Red Shoes, and the reason we built Red Shoes is a very simple framework, so people had a place to come home to, so to speak. So if they got lost, they could come back to the core of Red Shoes and remind themselves, you know, what they were really trying to do. Red Shoes is not for everybody, and I say that respectfully, but with, you know, tremendous confidence too. It's only for those that want to stand out, that want to compete, that want to win, and that want to continuously improve on their life and on business.